Hi friends, how are you? I hope you all fine. This is quick revision of coordinate geometry for the base class for 11th. So coordinate geometry revision of 10th class. So if geometry is studied with the help of coordinate variables, then it is called coordinate geometry. Okay. What does coordinate means? Coordinate means location of a point in a xy plane where x value and y value is given. Okay. Coordinate consists of two things: x value of a point and y value of a point. X value is known as abscissa and y value is known as ordinate. Okay. How can you define origin? So point of intersection of x-axis and y-axis is called origin. And x-axis and y-axis together constitute xy plane. And xy plane is divided into 4 equal parts, and each equal parts is known as quadrant. If you go for the sign conventions, so x-axis is positive, y positive, then x negative, y negative. Means in the first quadrant the point is plus plus, in the second quadrant the point is minus plus, in third quadrant minus minus, and in the fourth quadrant plus and minus. If I come to the topic of 10th class coordinate geometry, the first topic is distance formula. Which is quite helpful in 11th class also. Here 2 points with coordinate is given. 2 point with coordinate is given, and we want to find the value of AB. So here AB is defined as a square root of x1 minus x2 whole square, y1 minus y2 whole square. This is the distance formula. If we want to find distance of a point from origin, means 0 0, then see if A is xy, B is 0 0. So in this case AB is equal to x minus 0 whole square, y minus 0 whole square under root, that is x square plus y square square root. Okay. On the basis of distance, we can prove that a given triangle is equilateral isosceles scaling. How can you prove that? Because in triangle 3 vertices are there, and by those 3 vertices we have to find the length of AB, BC and CA. If all the 3 sides are equal, then it is equilateral. If 2 sides are equal, then it is isosceles, and if no sides are equal, then it is a scaling triangle. Similarly, for quadrilateral we can prove that a quadrilateral is a square, a rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus, kite, 4 vertices of quadrilateral is given. So we can find all the four sides. If four sides are equal, then it may be a square, it may be a rhombus. So then how can you differentiate? Then we're going to find the length of the diagonals of a square and length of diagonal of rhombus. If in case of a square, the length of diagonals are equal, and in case of rhombus, the length of diagonal is not equal. Similarly, in the case parallelogram and rectangle also, opposite sides are equal, but in case of rectangle, the length of diagonal is equal, but in case of parallelogram, the length of diagonal is not equal. And for the kite, the length of adjacent sides are equal. Then we move to section formula. Section formula is a formula which gives the coordinate of a point which divides the given line segment in a ratio m is to n. Means suppose a point A is given, B is given, and this AB line segment is divided by a point PXY in the ratio m is to n. So in this case, the coordinate of x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, and y is equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. This is for the internal division. This is for the internal division. In case of external division, in case of external division, x is equal to mx2 minus nx1 upon m minus n, and y is equal to my2 minus ny upon m minus external. For midpoint, m by n is equal to 1 by 1, so x is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, and y is equal to y1 plus y2 by 2. Sometimes where a ratio is to be found, in which ratio the point is divided, in that case we are suppose that let PXY divides line in ratio k is to 1. In that case, the formula becomes kx2 plus x1 upon k plus 1, and y is equal to ky2 plus y1 upon k plus 1. So that you must remember. Now, area of a triangle, third topic. Area of triangle. So three vertices are given: A, x1, y1, B, x2, y2, C, x3, y3. And this is given as area of triangle ABC is equal to half mod. Why mod? Because the length is area of triangle is always positive. x1 y2 minus y3, x2 y3 minus y1, and plus x3 y1 minus y2. This is area of a triangle. You can remember the area of a triangle ABC by keep in the mind that 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2. This one is x1, this is x2, this is x3, and this is for the y. like y2 minus y3, y1 minus y2, in this way. And if area of triangle ABC is equal to 0, points are collinear. Means point A, B and C are lies on same line. The condition for collinearity we also prove on the basis of distance formula. Also, there are two ways to prove the collinear. Once you equate the area of triangle ABC is equal to 0, and you can go for these things also. If suppose there are three lines, AA, 3 points on a line ABC, so the length of AB plus BC must be equal to AC. In this way, A, B and C are collinear. Okay, so that's all about the revision of coordinate geometry for 10th class. Thank you.